Now, since I have already the page number 2 done as I wanted, it is time to go to the page number 3 and the following. If I go to the page panel, I can see here I have already 3 pages. The third is totally empty. My idea here is to take advantage of the page number 2 and just to rearrange few of the items. So this time I want to take rid of the page number 3 and then I want to duplicate this page now, so I have 2 pages the same, but I want to change a little and also I want to get the right text. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this text over here, remove all these entrances, and then I'm going to apply inside page text, and this is going to be bye bye. Okay, I want to change this picture with another one. Again, this another picture that has been cut out from the background. So Command D, let's go here, show import option, always on, and then open. And then at this time I just removed the background, so I'm using the transparency of the actual layer in which the image is. Here we go. And this is the lady. I want this girl over here. And then what I see that she's covering the name because it's on top. So since she's the selected, she belongs to the layer number 3. I'm going to drag her down to the layer 2, and she's underneath. Maybe it's too little, but I will see. Then I have the title and the text. I don't need this text anymore because I have this one. And then maybe the text, I want to have this image and this image to be on the side. And now I see that this image is covering this piece that belongs to the master page. So in order to have this tab visible on top of this image, because I want also to have the title of the research every time visible, I need to go to the master page, inside page. I need to edit, click on this object, and then I also need to drag those guys up here, and just to make sure this is on the red layer. I don't know why they were not in the same layer. Okay, so now the problem has been fixed. I double click, go back here, and then in case I bring this image here, this is what you have. The image is covered by the tab I want. So I want, let's say, this thing here. The text, even if it doesn't belong to the same layer, it's here. I have a lot of room. I may also apply another picture. Probably I can change some of the layout. I will see very soon. I may add another picture here. So holding down the shift, grabbing an image. Maybe I can do this image taller. Here we go. This is the one that I like. Now show import option, but I don't have any special option. It's just an image. That's it. And then right click, fitting, fill frame proportionally. I want extra black here. And now I want to change some of my images. Probably I want to make the lower, this image is totally covered, this one a little bigger, so Command Shift. And then I want these two ladies taller. And then I want this box here. Okay, high, -4. Okay, this is the new size of this guy here. Okay, my problem is that I have this girl that impedes me to play with this image right here. Okay, I may lock this girl for a second, and now I can move this box up. Okay, let's start to upload some image and then we will see. So now I played a little with the object. I just changed the content of the frame. Maybe this girl here is still locked I want to unlock and make her a little taller. Again, Alt Shift, just not to cover too much with the shoulder. This girl. Up next, maybe you wonder how I did this. Basically, again, this is a text box. This is a little different than the one I've done in the other page. Maybe it's a good idea to show you. Basically, let me remove this one. Basically, you start out with a text frame. If you want, you can apply the color, and let me just paste the text here. So I also, now you know, using the white arrow, deselect everything, then just grab the corner, and then I change shape of this object over here. But the point is also that the text also keep staying on the top and on the left. So how I have created this little gap, basically on the object text frame object option, because at the end of the story this is still a text frame, even if it has a strange shape. You may decide to set some margin. So basically you can you are making the actual room available for the text narrower than before, but you are also making this nice little gap, which is possible. If you want, you can also maybe align the text in the center. If you like more, let's say like this, you press OK, and this is the object you have. Then of course I need to make this to match the size of this picture over here. Anything else? No, I think it's everything so far. So you may go ahead, play with like a simple images placed in an honest way. Of course, maybe you may decide to change a little the overall layout, but it's my suggestion to make at least one image to be cut out, to jump more, to call the attention. I don't want to say in every page, but in most of the pages. Okay, so this is everything. This is all so far, and I hope that you find this tutorial useful. Thank you.